Hey guys, Ali from Alta. Hope you have an awesome day. Beautiful day out here in the very pro. Riding season is finally starting. The snow's melting. We're having a great time. But here the video is lefty versus righty. It doesn't matter which way you put the racks. It depends on really like what your needs are. If you have a spare tire on the left or driver or passenger, this is where it's going to solve your problems because it's lean to, or not lean one side, but it's more geared towards one side. So here is our typical lefty. So you can see the bike's primary, or on the two bikes are primary on the left. On the top bar, you got about 28 inches long. You can put a fat basket on this side, this is what this is, and then the low bar is 28 inches long as well. So that's a lefty. Since the baskets lean left, we had to do a little bit of modification for the righty. So here's a righty. As you can see, on the top bar is at almost 30.5 inches. That's because of the lean of the baskets. We needed more clearance in this area and this area. So we increased the size of the righty. And then your low bar is going to be the same, but we just shifted it a little bit, and this is going to be your 28 inches, same as a lefty. So the righty puts the bikes majority on the right side, the lefty puts the bikes majority on the left side. So that's really the difference. They go on the same rack. We don't build the righties and stock them because we don't get a lot of orders. If we did get a lot of orders, we would probably start stocking them. But we build these at a time, so it's about a week to 2 week delay. Right now, this is April 2023. If you've seen this video a couple of years down the road, we probably have them in stock. But they're all on our website. You can select between. The righty is a slightly higher price. One is because it's a longer top bar and we can't use a common top bar. And then two is that we build them at a very low quantity, so we don't get that quantity discount that we normally get with the other products. Hope this was an informational video for you and gave you greater knowledge in our product and what the lefty versus the righty is. And you have a great day, y'all.